Hello friends, today we're going to be setting up and using a fog server. I'm going to be moving at a relatively fast pace because YouTube provides pause and timeline controls. After we're done, we will be able to image machines, boot into a live Linux OS, reset passwords on local Windows accounts, deban machines, and do non-destructive partition editing, all simultaneously for as many machines as our network can handle. The first thing we'll need is an installation of Linux. Fog can be installed on either Red Hat or Debian-based distributions. For this demonstration, I will be using Linux Mint 32-bit XFCE edition. After you get Linux installed, it's time to download and install Fog. Go to fogproject.org and download the newest version. The file extension should be .tar.gz.
You're packed full of goodness, high in fiber.
Open the Fog file and extract its contents. This will create a new folder on the desktop. Now we need to start up a terminal.
Vision floats under the night sky.
Alright, you may not see this part if you've already set up MySQL on your machine. If you are seeing this screen, choose a new password and enter it now. You should only give this password to friends that you trust and family members with whom you would like to reconcile. Now that the easy part's done, let's move on to the JAWSPA. Okay. Scroll down until you see Define MySQL Password. Put your SQL password in between the quotation marks which are next to each other at the end of the line. Save the file and quit gedit. Now we need to set up a static IP address.